And Bella's sitting there at my table with all my Christmas, with all my winter decor still. And she's such a sweetheart. She made her little brother's French toast and scrambled eggs. She made her little brother's French toast and scrambled eggs, like a total sweetheart. Today we're going to finish up projects, laundry, and all the kids have teeth cleanings. So it's a project day, laundry day, and teeth cleaning day. Someone in my video that I just did, my last one, suggested that if they had these windows that they would hang different holiday wreaths on them. So like for Valentine's, do heart wreaths. And I thought that idea was pretty cute. And I've even seen cute wood, like the wicker, like the one on my mantle, wicker heart wreaths. In fact, I had one year, but I got rid of it. So I might do that. And then, so there's not so many wreaths, I may do like a mirror. There's that round mirror at Target with, I think it has like a gold lip rim on it, and I really want to get that mirror, so I might do a mirror there, and then I could hang wreaths on the glass windows, and I think that won't be too wreathy. That's not a word, but I'm making it one. So I had gone to Target and I picked up 2 Hearth and Hand flour sack towels. So this one's not unwrapped, but here's one unwrapped, so they're pretty darn big. So I'm going to share with you guys how I'm going to turn these flour sack curtains into curtains on the windowsill. So first things first, I need to iron these. It is 6:50. At 2:15 we took the kids to the dentist. Good news, none of them have cavities. So when they don't have cavities, if they don't have cavities, it's tradition that we could take them to DQ. So we took them to DQ afterwards. I'm making with the hubby, he is toasting up buns. But this is the Pioneer Woman Sloppy Joes. So all the ingredients are in here. I will leave a link to her recipe in my description box. But this is supposed to simmer for 20 minutes. And oh my gosh, you guys, it smells so good. Look at the buns. You're supposed to use Kaiser rolls, but we just got buns, and then you butter them, and then you grill them and get them nice and toasty. So we're having that for dinner. So we're just going to have some barbecue chips.
Well, no calories in any of this.
Yeah, we're going to have barbecue chips with them. This is a calorie-free, Weight Watcher approved recipe. So all the healthy things, yeah, that's what this is. No, it's not. Okay, so I'm going to talk about the existing curtains, which are drop cloths I have hung up right now. It's just a white tension rod you can get at Walmart. They're like $3-4. And then I'm going to talk to you guys about the trim. I apologize for the lighting. When the light comes in, it's really hard to put your camera towards the light. It just shadows it all out and darkens it. So I will do my best. This piece of drop cloth I just cut and literally draped it over, but the pieces underneath I did sew a loop and created 2 panels. So there's 2 pieces, and then I draped the second piece over it. But I haven't been 100% in love with this look. I mean, it's cute, it works, but you know when you really love something. So I'm going to try the Hearth and Hand flower sack towels as curtains. If you follow me on Insta stories, then you've seen the window trim, or you can go to my highlight stories on my Instagram feed and watch window trim stories. This piece here and this piece here is a 1 by 3.5. Normally when you trim out your window, you go all the way up and over and down, and you go underneath your window. If you go to Pinterest, you'll see a measurement guide, or measurements and what you need to do to trim out your window. Hope that makes sense. But we did not want to cut out all the subway tile to trim out the bottom. I mean, talk about work. I mean, doing this part here was already so much work for my hubby. So he had started marking where we were going to cut out all the subway tile. I'm like, there has to be a better way. And I'm like, wait a minute, let's make a ledge. So I brought a piece of wood in and I held it up here. And I'm like, that will be so cute. So let's just do a ledge. Basically, my hubby put liquid nails behind the board and then stuck it on the wall. And then we used some masking tape. And then we took, you know, like a 3-4 inch piece of masking tape and taped it underneath, and then pulled it kind of tight and then taped it up here. And we just did one piece that we taped underneath and then attached. Then we left the masking tape on overnight. That was so this piece right here wouldn't drop or bow or anything while it was drying overnight. And doing the masking tape with the liquid nails totally kept it level and straight. So now I have these darling little ledges I can decorate for the different holidays and seasons, and I'll even put my rings here when I'm doing dishes. These pieces we turned on their sides, and they're 2.5 by 1. My husband just used an air gun or a nail gun and nailed it down into this piece on both sides. Then we have another 3.5 by 1 here, and then another 2.5 by 1 up there. And then the sides again, here and here are the 3.5 by 1. And again, these are on their sides, 3.5 by 1s. And here they are. I thought I liked the drop cloth curtains. No. It's too bad the lighting ruins it. They look so cute. I do think I might go back and get another pack and add one more ring to each panel because the gaps are pretty big, but I love it. Share my soap dispensers because I know I'll get questions, which is fine. I got both of these. They're glass soap dispensers from Home Goods, and I etched dish soap on one and hand soap on the other. So Home Goods, and then I just use like Miss Meyer's soap to fill them up. And then the cute tray that I have them sitting on is also from Home Goods, and I think it was $3.99, $4.99, and these might have been $7.99 or $6.99 each. And then I just have an evergreen Bath and Body Works candle over here. This scrub brush that also has my mint color in it is from Home Goods, and I think it was $3.99, and I just have it in a little Target dish. Thank you as always, you guys, for tuning into today's video / vlog, and I will be back again with another video very soon. I sure appreciate you guys. I don't have a channel without you guys, so if you enjoy these videos of mine, please give them a thumbs up. Share them with your aunt, your sister, your mom, your dog, your cat, your uncle, whoever, and get them over here to subscribe, and I will see you guys again soon. Love you guys. Bye!